Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping. And today's video is going to be a Prada shoe unboxing. But before we get into that, I do want to take the time to acknowledge the fact that I am now at 1K. So thank you guys so much for helping me get there. If you guys are not subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. We talk about fashion. I mean, we do have fun here. If you're not following me on IG, I am at SociallyStaciJ. Please pause right now and then go to IG, follow me, and then come back. Okay? I need you to follow me there too, because I do post some good content on that page as well. You know, I give you some information about certain sales because sometimes, you know, I'm only filming, you know, maybe once or twice a week. So by the time the information gets to you there, you know, it's too late. Like yesterday, I posted about how the Telfar bag in black is releasing actually today at 8 a.m. I'm going to try and get this up before I leave for work. So hopefully you'll have it and you'll see it before. But if you're watching this on Wednesday morning, know that the Telfar has a black drop today. See? So I just think you need to follow me. Anyway, so let's get into my outfits. And I am wearing a Christopher John Rogers dress. This has been the week of Christopher John Rogers. This is the third day in a row that I've worn one of his dresses. I have probably bought the vast majority of the dresses that I could find from that Target collab. I loved it. I will insert pictures of every outfit that I've worn this week. Again, that's on IG, so if you're following me, you've already seen that. Today, I paired the green dress. This is a dress that has like the long straps that go all the way down to the floor. It's just so good, guys. And I paired it under a cropped blazer from Zara that I got earlier this season. It may or may not still be there. I think it may have been in the sale, so it probably isn't at this point. And then I actually finished the look off with a pair of Dolce Vita Mules. And these are Mules that I think I told you guys about maybe. I've showed you guys, I think, maybe in a styling video. But yeah. I mean, I think they are a must-have, and I hate when bloggers say, or influencers say must-have, because nothing's a must-have. But I will say that if you're in the market, if you have like an extra $100 to spend, and you're looking for like a statement shoe that's comfortable, that goes with a lot, and that's really, you know, a standout piece, then I would suggest the Mule, because it is great, and I've found plenty of ways to style it, and I have plenty of shoes, and I've already worn those shoes probably 3 times already, which is a lot considering I've only got half the shoes for probably maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, if that. But anyway, on to the unboxing. Okay, so I picked these up at Nordstrom, and the backstory on this is I wanted the Prada black loafers, you know, the ones that you've seen everyone and their mama have. I fell into the hype and I wanted those as well. However, I went ahead and got some from Gucci, which I kind of regret a little bit, because the Gucci ones, even though they are like beautiful, they hurt. They're still very stiff, you know what I mean? And I haven't been able to really break them in yet, and I've worn them a lot. So I do think that, you know, me having like a higher end like black loafer was the move, but I just think that maybe I should have waited and just gotten the Prada ones. Although I've heard that the Prada ones were a little bit stiff as well. So I don't really know. I'm going to keep them, I think, unless I happen to try on the Prada loafer ones. And I'll insert a picture of the ones I'm talking about. If I happen to try them on and they're like a lot more comfortable than the Gucci ones, then maybe I'll sell the Gucci ones and get those. But for now, I think I'm just gonna just try to break the other ones in with like socks. But I know that I need them because I styled those shoes a lot last year. And again, with me having as many shoes as I have, for me to have worn them a lot means that I really did need them in my wardrobe. So, but anyway, so I contemplated getting the Prada loafers, but as you guys know, I unboxed the Chanel loafer the other week, so I don't need another black loafer. So I was like, I'm not gonna get the Prada ones because I already have the Gucci ones, and now I have the Chanel ones, so there's just no need for another black shoe. But then I saw this particular shoe in another colorway, and it's a loafer, but it's a mule, but the colorway is just But anyway, so I picked these up at Nordstrom's. They sell these at Prada and probably any place that they sell Prada shoes. You probably can't get them at Farfetch. They did not have these at the Prada store in the Houston Galleria. They had the black, but they didn't have this particular colorway, which is interesting because I feel like that Prada never has like a good selection of shoes. Nordstrom should not have a better selection of shoes than you. But anyway, so this is my first Prada shoes. I do have a Prada bag. I have the 2005 Red Edition in tan, the one with the strap, and then that's the silver chain. I love it, but no shoes. So it comes in this pretty like Prada box, which their boxes are very pretty. Putting this up. I mean, I tried these on in store, so it's not super pretty, but it does have branded packaging on the inside. I'm hoping that that's focusing. And then wait for it. Let me set this up. I got the white Prada Mules. Let me take this paper out here so we can kind of get a better look. Okay, can you guys see that? Is that focusing? Listen, this cocaine white to the floor is just, it is everything. It is everything. And when I tell you these shoes are so comfortable, I would never have guessed that, which is why I'm like rethinking the Prada ones, because I'm like, well, this is essentially the same shoe. It's just, you know, of course, the regular one has the, you know, the backing, and this one is an open back, of course, because it's a mule. But this is comfortable on the inside. So I'm like, I don't know, like maybe, like the leather, there's some give in the leather. Like this is very well made, but it's definitely give in the leather. Again, I mean, this is white, everything white outsole. On the inside, you do have your little silver Prada that's in here. If you can look here, I don't know if you can see that here. The lighting is really bad because I'm filming and it's dark outside, so there's no natural lighting, but there's like a little Prada branding here, if you can kind of see that. Guys, the white one is everything. Like, the black one hits, you know, the black one hits, but the white one, first of all, the little triangle Prada thing, I'm obsessed with anyway. Like, I am obsessed with the triangle Prada logo. I think it's just super chic. And right now, Prada is just so hot, but I don't have like an all white shoe. And I also have that J.W. Anderson, like one with the chain in black as well. So that's why I said I really do not need another black shoe. But the white is just, now, I was a little bit hesitant, even though I love it. I love this in white. But you know, what I typically do is, and this is a style tip for you guys, is whenever you're looking at something, especially if it's like a very like high-end item and you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to invest in money, you know, if I'm not going to wear it a lot. You know, a lot of times people need inspiration to know how they would style something before they actually pull the trigger. And I mean, even I look for inspiration all the time. So that's what I do. Like this one, I just looked up Prada Mule on IG. I did hashtag Prada Mule to see what came up. And I saw some people were styled. There weren't too many people styled with it because honestly, a lot of people don't have this shoe. This is one of their newer releases. But I think in the fall, it probably will be a really hot shoe to have. And I was able to kind of get some ideas and I was like, oh, but with me seeing it on the shoe though, because I mean, you can literally style this with anything, but me seeing it on, because I think that was more or less what I wanted to know was how will this look on the foot? Will it be too chunky? You know, does it look weird as a mule? Even though I love the idea of it, but sometimes the idea of something and then the execution of it when it's on your foot is not the same. But when I saw someone do a try on, you know, as I was searching the IG hashtag, I was like, oh yes, like that convinced me that I needed this shoe. They had it in my size. I got this in a size 37.5. I could have went down to a 37, but I like having a little bit of room back here. So I don't think that I think they probably do run true to size. I do a 37.5 for most of my Gucci shoes. Some shoes run small, so I go up to a 38. like the Mules, the Princeton Mules, I went up to a 38 there, even though I possibly could have went down to a 37.5. I just like having a little bit of room, extra room back here. But anyway, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna say I like her better than my Chanel loafer, because I feel like Chanel, she's in a league all on her own. But you know, this right here, I mean, this is a close second. I love this. Like, and then the fact that it's comfortable has me so, it's to the point to where I'm like, do I need the black? Like, that's where I am. I'm like, do I need the black with the Mule? Because I don't have a black. Well, yeah, I do. I have a JW Anderson one. So yeah, you do, Stacey. But that's different. Do I need this? Do I need the triangle Prada Mule in black? Y'all let me know. Well, I already know what y'all gonna say. Y'all gonna say no, I don't need it, because I don't need it at all. But y'all, come on now. Come on. So again, I got this in a size 37.5. I normally wear a size 38. Except for like Gucci, where I'll do a 37.5. Normally I'll go up a size. I think these probably do run true to size. And they're a Mule anyway, so you know, if you know that you have wider feet, I don't have wide feet, but if you know you have wider feet, I would definitely stick to my normal size. But I feel like, you know, you can do it either way. I feel like there's some room. There was some room for me to go to a 37. 38 would have been way too big, which is what I probably would have ordered had I not tried these on in store. So I'm kind of glad I bought these in store, because I really had no idea about how Prada's sizing was. But that's usually when people are looking for information on this shoe. You know, they want to know, you know, how the sizing is. So yeah, I'm normally a 38. And pretty much everything, my US size is a 7.5. Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think about my shoe. It won't be the last haul, because I do have some other things that you guys just haven't seen. So I do have a Chloe unboxing for you guys. I have a Valentino unboxing for you guys. So these are things that I already have that you guys just haven't seen. So those videos are to come. I know I said I was going to upload on Saturdays and Sundays, 2 videos a week. However, I mean, I'm going through a major life change right now. A lot has happened since I last filmed. I will fill you in on the details on another video. But yeah, my life is getting ready to completely change in a good way. It's all good things. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a good week, and I will talk to you soon.